Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna unbox something I bought from Aliexpress. So this is a vehicle to load adapter, which is very cheap from Aliexpress. This MG Marvel R has a vehicle to load. It doesn't have the adapter in the car. I mean, it can charge other stuffs. Um, This one was very cheap from AliExpress. The one you can buy from MG is, I think, is very expensive. This one is very cheap. So let me see. So I bought this around 250 Danish kroner, or around 35 euros. So it doesn't say anything in this box, except it says here it is silver plating. I don't know what they call this protection, and flame and stable and white capacity. Yeah, make EV charging safer, easier, and faster. I don't know anything about faster, but why I bought this adapter was because was because I want to charge other stuff, like I want to use vacuum in the car, or maybe charge my stuff, like anything you need on the road, or maybe camping. So this is the box, and this is the adapter. I have already opened it, so that's why you can see some my fingerprints on it, because I want to see if it worked. It's very built, it's steady. Yeah. Okay. So you put this in your charger in the car, and this one is here. I have already tested, and I think it's 210 volt. This MG, I read about online that it can produce up to 2,500 watts. So WATT. I think this one is 210. So this is not I think it's not for the English or UK or US, but in EU, I think it works fine. In the next video, guys, I'm gonna show you how you can attach this to the car and charge something with it. So please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you guys want to contribute for my channel, please be a member, so I can do or make more videos like this.